Some food combinations are just meant to be together. Cabbage and tuna is one such combination that never goes wrong. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself, Shruti Shami. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe Cabbage Tuna Patties. A crispy and delicious snack that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Well, let's begin. I'm going to saute some onions. Also adding some chopped garlic and green chilies. Saute for a few seconds. Next, I'm adding 2 to 3 cups of shredded cabbage. Stir and cook the cabbage for 5 minutes. Don't overcook. Add salt to taste. After 5 minutes, the cabbage is perfectly cooked. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Next, I'm adding 160 grams of canned tuna with chili. Separate the chunks with the help of a fork. Next goes in a quarter cup of semolina. Combine all the ingredients. I'm also adding a handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 egg. Now all the ingredients are well combined. To a heated pan, add enough oil to shallow fry the patties. Place a small quantity of mixture between palms and shape it in the form of patties. Make more patties out of mixture and shallow fry them until it's golden. Once done, transfer from oil and place them on a kitchen paper to get rid of excess oil. As you can see, the patties are incredibly easy and quick to make. Once you wrap your taste buds around these patties, I'm sure you will feel obsessed. So friends, do try this out and don't forget to leave your experience in the comment box. So keep cooking and thank you for watching.